Hi guys, Jeff here from TaT. Just want to announce our July draw for any of our members that share either a repair solution and or upload some good scope scan data for the month of July going to the draw. This month's prize is given to us by CPS products, and it's a great little digital multimeter basically. It connects to your to a smart device, either your scan tool, your tablet or your phone, and then electrically connects in. So it comes with a full kit of cables and connectors, etc., and then links to your smart device, either your phone, and becomes a full multimeter. So multiple, all your normal multimeter type functionality through Bluetooth from this particular connection. So a big thanks to CPS products for this particular draw. So any repair solution or good scope scan data that you can upload during July, you're going to the draw for this great little device, a digital multimeter via your phone, etc. And again, all the members, and we'll do this draw in late July or early August. So get your entries in. I hope to see as many entries as we did in the June draw, again for this particular great prize. See you next time.